Hi, I'm George Stegner, and I'm with the Mustang Club of Greater Kansas City. I'm currently the secretary of the club, and have had several other officer positions over the years. We've been invited out here to the Nolan Road Baptist Church to their annual car show. They decided that this year they would feature the Mustang as a special emphasis car. So they invited our club members to come out. And we have about 23 members bring their cars out today because it's such a nice day and one of the first nice days of the season. So we had a really good response. We have early cars here. We have all the way up to current model year cars. In our club, we have over 200 memberships right now, probably representing a total of 400 or more cars of all years of Mustangs. We meet once a month at Bristol Hill United Methodist Church on the third Sunday of the month. We have our cruise night on the second Saturday of the month at 103rd and Maston down in Overland Park. We have a show next weekend at Certifit, which is listed on our website. And then we have our annual Mustang show on June 23rd down at Bass Pro in Olathe. We'd be glad to have plenty of anyone join the club. We're a real friendly group. We like to go out and eat after our meetings, and we like to do things just about on a once-a-month basis, even during the winter months, where we get together and go have fun of one sort or another. Last month we went to a place up in Weston, as an example. We've been to Boonville to the Clydesdale farm a couple of times, and we've been to Missouri State Prison, and we just try to do things where we get out and enjoy the cars. We always look forward to having new members, and if you think you might like to join a Mustang club, you don't actually have to have a Mustang, you just have to kind of be a fan. And if you, so we'd be glad to have you join us.
I'm Ken Lee, and welcome to the 20th anniversary of the Gathering Nolan Road Baptist Church here at Nolan Road to our annual car show. This is something we have done for, 20 years, and today we have a perfect day for it, May the 5th, 2018. We have this year featured specialty Mustangs. We've done Camaros in the past, Corvettes and etc., 57 Chevys, but this year is the Mustang year. Already, mid-morning, we have 44 Mustangs that have showed up. We've got a total of about 170 cars here already today. We expect more before the closing of noon. This is something we enjoy doing. It's something that allows people with common interests and enthusiasm for the restoration of the car. This allows them to get the car out, talk to their buddies, what they've done over the winter months. It's a very good hobby to be in. It's hands-on, and people enjoy visiting and talking to people that have done like similar items. This is something that all people can do, and now they want to get out and they want to show those cars off, and we have created a good atmosphere for that. Being we've got the good grass areas, we have free food, free drinks, registration was free, and this makes dash plaques for the first 100. So it makes a positive event for people to come out and display their car and to enjoy themselves and enthusiasm with other people. We do this, like I said, every year. We enjoy doing it. All the donations, which we do allow for the food, it goes strictly for camp for underprivileged people that would normally not be able to go. So this is not designed for profit. It's designed for that entity, and it works very well. It allows a lot of kids to go that normally would not. We appreciate all the people that have attended today, and we hope to continue it on in the future. Thank you so much. Got everyone's attention. Appreciate you coming down. Appreciate everyone coming out. This is our 20th year. This is the first one. We had a good turnout. Officially 214 registered, and we have some unique door prizes that we're going to give out. The last thing we'll give out is the Craftsman Toolbox. We appreciate the Mustang Club. We had a total of 45 Mustangs that showed up, which is a good turnout. Good turnout. Some very high-profile Mustangs out there. If you do have an old car, I represent the Antique Automobile Club, which is co-sponsor of this, as well as the car show coming up 2 weeks from today at the barn. This is on Colburn Road. It would be straight east of Unity Village. Vegetables there will be sold. It's an ideal place for a car show. There's a lot of shade, grass, room for about 1,000 cars. And also with that is a fish fry. So that's 2 weeks from today. We have $50 gift certificates we'll give out first. She's going to draw a first drawing. Who is it? This lady is. Okay, go ahead. Anna's going to do a drawing. This will be a $50 gift certificate. Car number 116.
Boy, I do.
47. For Craftsman, $50 gift card. Dana Noble.
Before I leave, I want to get
Number
you
46 for a $50 gift certificate. He's here. Congratulations. Yeah, good luck to you. Numbers car number 204. Be a late entry. 204. Good.
I'll go 207.
Car number 119. 119. Car number 135. 135. You receive his last $50 gift certificate. Congratulations, sir. And we have a ladies' toolbox. We're going to mix them up real good. Okay, this person's name is Gene. Lives in Raytown. And who's good with last names? Hey, I'm going to spell this. K-U-S-Z-A-G-J-E-W-S-K-Y. You tell me. Congratulations. Thank you. Pronounce your name, please. Krusheski.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for participating in that. Technicians Award. Guys, the Antique Automobile Club is the largest club in the world. Big on the East Coast. There is a Kansas City region. Type of crystals out. They're very unique. We have various classes that our members look at. The winner of that would be a 1940 Ford, car number 76. Mike, track. Your crystal award. Thank you so much. Nice car. Next, we had a class that's a Camaro class, and it's from 67 to 69. Or for his car, it'd be number 46, Tim Ward. 69 blue convertible, right here. Congratulations, Tim. There's your box. There's your award.
We'll take the box, no award. Hey, that's not all right.
Okay, the next one we have, something that's 25 years or older, and this award goes to car number 68, Bill Duvall, orange Mustang, 2+2 fastback. Congratulations. You're welcome. Okay, we're going to pick to see if this person is here. Person must be here to win this toolbox. It's the chest and the rollaway. Okay, it's car number 193 here. Car 193. 193. You are the winner. Your name, sir? Lewis Montgomery won the toolbox. Congratulations, sir. Thanks, everybody. This concludes our show this year. Drive safe. May see you up at the square. May see you 2 weekends at the Bar and Car Show.